Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we will be talking about how to fix hotels.com payment error. So to fix this issue, you can start by contacting your bank because banks often block travel site transactions, flagging them as potential fraud. You can simply call them to authorize the charge. Now the next what you can do is use a different device or a browser. Just switch from the app to a desktop computer or vice versa to rule out technical issues with a specific platform. You can also clear your browser's cache or try an incognito or private window. Now make sure that the phone number is entered without spaces, for example, 10-digit US format, and the billing address matches your bank records. You can also try using your PayPal or a different credit card. Now, if the issue persists, contact their support via chat or phone. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.